Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make pizza at home without an oven. First, let's prepare our simple dough. You'll need 1 cup of all-purpose flour, a half teaspoon of baking powder, and a pinch of salt. Mix these dry ingredients well. Then, add 2 tablespoons of olive oil and about a 1/4 cup of warm water. Combine everything to form a soft dough. Knead it for about 5 minutes until it's smooth and elastic. Then let it rest for 10 minutes while you gather your toppings. Now that our dough is ready, it's time for the fun part, assembling your pizza. Lightly flour your surface and roll out the dough into a nice, even circle, about 7 to 8 inches in diameter. Next, spread 2 to 3 tablespoons of your favorite pizza sauce, leaving a small crust border. Then, generously sprinkle about a half cup of shredded mozzarella cheese. Finally, add your chosen toppings, whether it's classic pepperoni, fresh vegetables, or a combination of both. Don't overload it. The magic happens on your stovetop. Place a non-stick pan or a cast iron skillet over medium-low heat and let it warm up for about 2 minutes. Once hot, carefully transfer your assembled pizza into the pan. This is where the cover is crucial. Cover the pan tightly to trap the heat, which helps melt the cheese and cook the toppings thoroughly. Let it cook for about 8 to 12 minutes. You'll know it's ready when the crust is beautifully golden brown and the cheese is perfectly melted and bubbly. Congratulations, your homemade stovetop pizza is ready. Carefully slide the hot pizza from the pan onto a cutting board. It's important to let it cool for just about 2 minutes before you slice it. This brief resting period allows the cheese to set properly, preventing it from sliding off when you cut. Then, using a sharp knife or a pizza cutter, divide your delicious creation into 4 to 6 generous slices. Serve it immediately and enjoy your perfectly cooked, oven-free pizza.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.